Okay, now continue from 67th question. Okay, we have already completed 66 question. Now completed from 67 of RMS 9 class exam paper, which is held on 19th September 2021. Let's start. The ratio of 10 meter to 10 kilometer. See here, ratio of 10 meter to 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. See, here is in the numerator there is unit in meter, and in numerator in meters, in denominator there is in kilometer. So we convert the unit in the same. Okay, here is 10 meters. First of all, can we cancel this one? This 0 gets cancelled, so the equation becomes 1 meter upon 1 km. 1 meter is equal 1 upon 1 km. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. So 1000 meter 1 by 1000. This is the C, correct answer. Next, 68. A circle having diameter 30 cm has a chord of 24 cm. Then the distance of the chord from the center. Okay. A circle having diameter 30 cm. Okay. Radius is 15. Okay. Has a chord of 24 cm. Then the distance of the chord from the center. Okay. See. Suppose this is a chord 24 cm. From center onwards, it is distribute equally. Okay, distribute equally. 12 centimeter is on the left portion, and the right portion is 12 centimeter. Total chord length is 24 centimeter. So this is length is 12 centimeter. This is length is 12 centimeter. See, this is the center point. The diameter is given to us 30 centimeter. So radius becomes 15 centimeter. This value we know, and it is forming as a perpendicular. Okay, I am drawing imaginary here, so it is a perpendicular. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what happened? By using Pythagoras theorem, okay, r square is equal, see here, r square is equal, this is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means opposite one is the right angle, this one. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse. R is the hypotenuse. R square is equal, side square means 12 square. This is assume we have x plus x square. This is by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so r is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter plus x square. So the value of x square is nothing but 15 square minus 12 square. Okay, so see, a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, 15 plus 12 is 27 into 15 minus 12 means 3. 27 3 is 81. So x square is equal to 81. X is equal plus or minus 9. Okay, so we consider as x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. So that is asking from center to chord what is the distance, means this distance we have to find, that is the 9 centimeter. The answer is 9 centimeter. Okay, 1 minute. The answer is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter is answer. Next, two identical cubes, each of total surface area of 6 cm, are joined end to end. Two identical cubes, each of total surface area of 6 cm, are joined end to end. Okay. The total surface area of a cuboid so formed. See, here what to do is 67. Question number 69. Na? Yes. So question number 69. Question number 69 is surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube gives us to 6. Okay. So what is surface area of cube? 6a square. 6a square. Okay. So that is 6a square is equal to 6. That means 6 gets cancelled. A is equal to 1. So side of a cube is a centimeter is here. So now this cube is joined together likewise. See, okay, 1 cube, 2 cube. Okay, this is forming cuboid. Okay, even cuboid. Again this length, suppose this is the length na, so again a cuboid is forming like that. Understood? One minute. Joining like that. Understood? So what happened? This cuboid, see, this is the length na, this cuboid, when the two cubes are joining, this forming is a cuboid. So this length is adding when L is equal, suppose here 1. So L, what happened? L plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Only changes in length. Next, breadth and height. See, in the cuboid, this is the cuboid. Okay, this is the length L is equal to 1 unit. Suppose this same cuboid I am joining here. Okay, like that. Suppose this length L1 is, again I am joining like that. So what happened? Length is adding, and means length is add. Join end to end means length is 1 plus 1, 2, and the breadth is as it is 1. Say here side is how much? A. So breadth is 1 and height is also 1. So what is the formula for cuboid? Total surface area. TSA for cuboid. TSA for cuboid is 2 times of LB BH HL. This is formula. Okay. So put the values 2 into L, LB, 2 into 1, 2, BH means 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1, plus HL, 1 into 2, 2. Okay, so the value is 2 into 5, so 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, 10 centimeter square, not area, a total surface area, centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer. Next, a loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, the distance covered in 5 hours is. Okay, this is very easy. A loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. If the speed, by using unitary method we can do easy method. A loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. Okay, in one truck is there. In 14 km it takes 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, suppose speed is not changed here, speed is constant, that means speed is constant. So in this case, the distance covered in 5 hours, See, in 25 minutes it's cover 14 kilometer. The question is asking in 5 hours how much distance is covered by the truck. So you see, question number 70 na? Yes, question number 70. See the answer, how to do. I am question number 70. See, in 25 minutes it is covered how much? 14 kilometer distance. Okay na? By using unitary method. By using unitary method. Unitary method. In 25 minutes it covers 14 kilometer. Okay. So what asking? In 5 hours. 5 hours. In 5 hours. This is in minute. So 1 hour is equal to how much? Minutes. 60 minutes. So 5 hours into 60 minutes. How much distance is covered? See, in 25 minutes it's cover 14 kilometer. In 5 hours definitely more kilometer to be covered. So in case where when the comparison in the more, so the formula becomes more by less into individual value. So more is what? 5 into 60 is a more. By less is what? Less is 25. Less is 25 into individual value 14 kilometers. 14 kilometers. Understood? Okay, see. Now 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is okay. 5 1 is 5 12 is 12 5 okay. Next 12 into 14. 12 into 14. 12 into 14 is, remaining part is 12 into 14 kilometer. 12 4 is the 48. 12 4 is the 48. 12 1 is the 12. 12 plus 2. 12 plus 4 68. 168 kilometer. See, I am doing by using unitary method, very easy. Okay. Next. Question is 160. Next, if the length of each edge of a cube is triple, what will be the change in its volume? So easy. See here, if the length of each edge of a cube is triple, that means here length is 3 times. Length is 3 times in a cube. So what happened? If length is 3 times, what is the area of a cube? A cube. That means side cube. Side cube means 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. Very easy. 27 times. Right? A bag has 4 red balls and 4 green balls. What is the probability of getting a red? It's also very easy. Nothing to do. See, what is the probability of by getting a red ball? See, total number of balls how many? 4 red balls and 4 green balls. Total quantity is 8. Okay, total quantity is 8. So total out of total quantity, there is a chance of red ball is only 4. Okay, so that means this is the probability of red ball. Suppose I am represented by R. Probability of R is 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. 4 1s are 4 2s are 1 by 2. C is the correct answer. Understood? Next, 73. 73 question 1. Generalized form of 2-digit number XY. Oh, nice. Okay. Generalized form of 2-digit number XY. It's very easy. Now see how I am explaining. Generalized form of 2-digit number means, suppose I am writing Suppose one number I am writing 23. This is a 2 digit, 1 digit and 2 digit. So this number is how form the 23 number, how to we have to write. See, 2 into 10. Understood? 2 into, this is the ones place, this is the tens place. So 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Right? 23 is, after expanding 23, 2 into 10 means 10 place, in the place of 10 is 2 and 1 place there is 3. Okay, what happened now? 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Understood? Likewise, question is given to xy. Xy means what happened? Xy means 10 into x plus y. Very simple. This is the general formula for 2 digit. Understood? 10x plus y. This is answer. 74. The quadrilateral whose diagonals do not bisect each other. The quadrilateral whose diagonals do not bisect each other. In a rectangle bisect, rhombus is bisect, square is also bisect. In trapezium, there is no possible to bisect each other the diagonals. This is the correct answer, D1. Next, 75. If the weight of 12 sheets of thick paper is 40 gram, 12 sheets thick paper, the weight of 12 sheets thick paper is 40 gram. Okay, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 25 gram? Okay, this is also by using unitary method we can solve. See, most of the questions coming from unitary methods. See, 12 sheets 40 gram. Okay, what is asking? Okay, see, 40 gram 12 sheets. Okay, what is asking? How much in 2500 gram? Okay, this is logic. In 40 gram there will be a 12 sheets. In 2500 gram there will be a more sheets. So in comparison, when the comparison is more, our formula is becomes more by less into individual value. Okay, more means 2500, less means how much? 40 gram into individual value is 12 sheets. Okay, see, this 0 gets cancelled. 4 1s are 4 3s are, so 25 3s are 75. 1 0 is here, so 756. This is required answer. Right. 750. Next, if x is equal to cube root of minus 27 by 8, find the value of x. Very easy. 76. 76th one is C. 76. X is equal to how much? Cube root of minus 27 by 8. This is the given value. Okay, this means 27 means 3 cube na. Okay, 3 cube. 8 means 2 cube. It is in the form of cube. Okay, cube root. So what happened? Minus 3 by 2 whole cube. By removing cube root, whole power 1 by 3. Okay, by using one identity, a to the power of m into a to the power of m whole power n. So what happened? A to the power of m into n. that's why minus 3 by 2 into 3 into 1 by 3, 3 gets cancelled. So what the remaining part minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, very easy questions. Okay, option, which option is correct? Option number D. Okay. 76. Next 77. Which of the following can be other name of a cylinder? Other name of a cylinder is a circular prism. The range of the class this okay. Range of the class means highest value minus lowest value. Which is the highest one here? Highest one is here 6, 14, 20, 16, 6, 5, 4, 18, 25. Okay, 25 is the highest one na? 25 minus lowest 4. Okay, 4 means 25 minus 4 means 21. 21 is the answer. Okay, 79. If x minus 1 is a factor of so and so, x square plus x plus k, then the value of k. Very easy. Suppose x minus 1 is a factor of this equation. So by putting x minus 1 is a factor of that means 1. Which question it is? 79. Okay, 79 na? Okay. See, 79 1/9. What is saying? X minus 1 is a factor, means x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to how much? 1. We have to put the value x is equal to 1 in the given equation. The equation is x square plus x plus k. Okay, right? Is equal to 0. So put the value of 1, x is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so what? K is equal to minus 2. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, minus 2. Next 80. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AD. Okay, here given the map. Okay, in triangle ABC, AD. This is AD. AD bisects angle BAC. Angle BAC. Okay, good. And AD is equals to AD is equals to DC. DC means this one. Okay, this one is equal. Very good. If angle BDA is 70 degree, BDA, this angle is 70 degree. Okay, this is 70 degree. Then the measure of angle ABD, this angle is asking to us. Understood? See, I am explaining now. Will just wait now. See which question that is? 80th question. 81, not 81, 80. See. So this is a this is A and this is B, this is B and this is C. This is a perpendicular drawn AD. Okay, and this angle is given to us 70 degree. Okay, this is given to us 70 degree, and this one is equivalent. Okay, understood? They bisect each other. Okay, suppose this is 70 degree na. One logic is here. By drawing map, one conclusion is concluded that suppose in a triangle, one property is there. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of their interior angles. Sum of their these two angles sum is equivalent to exterior angle. Means here is 70, means that means this is 35 degree and this is also 35 degree. Have you got my point? Why it is 35? Both the angles are equal, this angle and this angle. And also this is the exterior angle of this triangle. This is a one triangle ADC. This is the one triangle. This triangle, in this triangle there it is a 70 degree is a exterior angle. So exterior angle is equals to sum of their interior angles. Okay, so the 35 plus 35 is equal to this one. Okay, 1. So we have to find this angle. Our aim is to find this angle, right? This angle we have to find. Okay. See how to find. Suppose this is 35 na? This is 35. So it is given that this angle is bisect each other, means it is the here is 70. So means that means this is also 35 degree. Are you got my point? Bisect each other. AD is bisect each other. So that means this is the 70 degree. So what happened? 70 degree means this 35 plus 35 is the 70. Understood? So now from this triangle, triangle A B D, angle sum property. We know na, angle sum property. What? Okay. Angle sum property. Use angle sum property means 35 plus 70. 35 plus 70 plus this angle, suppose B. Can we represent like this? Angle B is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Understood? So angle B is equal to nothing but the required angle is B is equal to 180 minus 105 means 75 degrees. This is the answer. Understood? Okay. 75 degrees answer. So we end the present session up to 80th question, and the next remaining 20 questions will be discussed in the next session. Okay, until then, bye bye and take care of you and your families. And please, if you like, please like and share more my videos, so that I can come with very interesting chapters, all the RIMC and RMS and Science School chapters very soon. Okay, thank you.